In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your sounds on Discord's Soundboard. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Discord on, whether you're an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or a PC or desktop as well. So all you want to do is open up your Discord application, and then just go ahead and join whatever call you're in. And as you can see on the bottom, I'm going to see 4 different options: turn on camera, share screen, start an activity, and open Soundboard. So go ahead and click on that, and then I'm going to see add sound. Now the reason it says add sound is because I'm the owner of this server. So all I'm going to do is press add sound right there. I'll then be able to choose a file. I can name it whatever I want as well. And then I can also select a related emoji too. So let's say I wanted to do a chicken emoji. I can change the sound volume if I want to. And then I can have a sound name, but of course, just choose a file from wherever you want. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and choose this. I can choose exactly where I want it and everything. And yeah, I can even preview it if I want to as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.